Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to make your desktop in Windows 11 UI and modern in these tips. But before that, I need to say that all links you can find it in description and all programs you can download it from these links or direct from the store. So first we need to download files version 2 from this link and its GitHub link. We need to choose this one, the latest one, files package 2.0.34. Then we need to download rounded TB also from GitHub from releases rounded TB are 3.1. Then finally we need to download Lively Wallpaper version 1.7.4.2, the installer. After we have downloaded the program, we need to download the Windows 11 concept cursor from this site. But you need to have account first for this site to download it. Finally, we need to download Windows 11 Live Wallpaper from Google Drive link and download anyway. After we finish downloading all files, we need to install them one by one. First, we need to install files package, extract all, and extract. The file version 2 is a modern file explorer for Windows. Then exit. Then we need to download rounded TB. It's for customizing and have rounded corners in Windows taskbar. It may be like Mac OS dock. Then run anyway. Okay. Then we need to install Lively Wallpaper from Lively Setup. We use Lively Wallpaper to set video as wallpaper and desktop. You choose what you need to install. For me only, all install for all users. Next, I accept. Next, you you pick start with Windows or no. Then yes. As you see, it installed extra package for C++. No, I will start the computer later. Finish. Then we need to install Windows 11 Concept Cursor. Extract all, then extract. You choose dark or light. I prefer the light one. Then show more options and install. Open. Yes. And choose Windows 11 Cursor Lite version 2. Up and then we need to open Lively Wallpaper. Next, you choose next, normal, off, and complete. Open Live. Then browse. Then you need to extract the file. Then choose it and OK. Then you need to close the window and view unpicked show desktop icons. Then go to the taskbar settings. Then to themes. No, for colors and pick it and show rounded TV. And you choose if you prefer dynamic mode or this mode and close. And that's it. You have your setup complete. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video press like, subscribe and share to get all new videos. See you later.